Farming is changing faster than ever. And in 2025, some crops can give farmers extremely high income because of global demand, premium prices, and strong export markets. Today, I will show you the top 10 most profitable crops you can grow in 2025. Watch till the end. The last 3 crops can completely change a farmer's income. Crop 1, blueberries. Crop number 1, blueberries. Blueberries have huge demand in the USA and Europe. They sell at a premium price, and both fresh and frozen berries are very profitable. This crop can generate up to 6 to 10 lakh taka per acre. Crop 2, dragon fruit. Crop number 2, dragon fruit. This fruit needs very low maintenance and grows perfectly in warm climates. Its export value is massive, making it one of the most profitable crops for farmers. Crop 3, ginger. Crop number 3, ginger. Ginger is used every single day in homes and restaurants. Its market price stays high throughout the year. That's why ginger is one of the best income crops for small farmers. Crop 4, turmeric. Crop number 4, turmeric. Turmeric is highly demanded in food, medicine, and organic markets. It has a long shelf life and brings excellent profit for farmers. Crop 5, cherry tomato. Crop number 5, cherry tomatoes. These tomatoes grow very fast and give high yields. Restaurants, hotels, and supermarkets all prefer cherry tomatoes. This makes it a strong, profitable crop. Crop 6, broccoli. Crop number 6, broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most demanded vegetables in health-conscious markets. There is still low competition in many areas, creating room for high profit. Crop 7, avocado. Crop number 7, avocado. Avocado is a premium fruit with booming demand in the USA and Europe. It sells at a high price all year long. This makes avocado farming very profitable. Crop 8, strawberry. Crop number 8, strawberries. Strawberries provide excellent returns per plant. They sell at high prices in both fresh and processed form. Even a small area can generate big income. Crop 9, papaya, red lady. Crop number 9, papaya. Papaya grows fast and starts giving harvest very early. It has strong demand both as a fruit and in the health food industry. This makes papaya one of the quickest income crops. Crop 10, mushroom. Crop number 10, mushroom farming. Mushrooms can be grown indoors with very little investment. They need very small space but give a very high return. That's why mushroom farming is becoming extremely popular. So these were the top 10 most profitable crops to grow in 2025. Which crop do you think is the best for your area? Comment your choice below. And don't forget to subscribe for more agriculture knowledge.